What up? This your boy ZK Zimbabwe Kid, and this is Wednesday Shoutouts, where I shout out my YouTube friends. The first one I'd like to give a shout out to is Truth Lubrano, and Truth Lubrano's channel is youtube.com/TRUTHLUBRANO, and it's from New Orleans. So check out his compilation of videos. A lot of hip hop videos on there. Pretty cool, man. So add as a friend, subscribe as well. And the second channel I'd like to give a shout out to is my friend Dub Crane's channel, and that's youtube.com/ADBEEZY, ADBEEZY, and he's got some videos in his favorites section. So add as a friend, subscribe, and encourage him to add some videos, upload some videos, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, those are the two friends I'd like to give a shout out to on YouTube. This is the Wednesday Shoutouts with Zimbabwe Kid, ZK. Twitter at ZK Beats, or Twitter at ZimbabweKid, ZimbabweKid.com, ZimboNexus. Peace.